In this question, we need to create PV, PVC, and then after that, we need to create the deployment with all these details. If you go through these details, you will get to know that we need to create this PVC inside this project name, that is page. It means that we need to create a new project if it's not already created. So let's create a new project with this command. Now open the console and expand this storage button. After that, you need to check the storage class name, and here my storage class name is nfs-storage. Same storage class I need to use, and the reason behind is that it is showing default here. Okay, let me click here persistent volume, create persistent volume, and then modify the name as per the question. For me it is tiger, and the storage capacity is 1 gig, and it is many. The claim policy is retained, that's great. By default it is showing me this here, nfs-s storage. That's it, and after that I need to click on create button. Now it is showing status is available, that's great. Click on persistent volume claim. Please make sure that you have select the project equal to page. After that, create persistent volume. It is showing by default, that's great, and here you need to write the persistent volume name. In my case it should be tiger-pvc. In exam you need to use this one, shared access read write many. I have only one node, so I'm using this single user. Size is 1 gig, but you should use this shared access. Okay, hit the create button. Now it is in bound status, that's great. Click on workloads, this is the workload here, and then click on deployment. Further, you need to click on create deployment, and as per the question you need to write the name. For me it is showing tiger. After that I need to update the image here and copy this image name and paste over here like this way. After that you need to hit the create button. Now you can see that 3 pods are running. Further, you need to expand this action button and add storage. Use the right PVC that we created in our previous step, that is tiger PVC, and the mount path. It is given in the exam or in the question. You can use this one, copy and paste over here like this one, and just hit the save button. Now you can see that it is showing 1 and 2 and 3. All 3 ports are running. After that you can execute the command oc get all, and all 3 ports are running, that's great. However, in the question it says that application uses this link to show the output. So you need to copy whatever the link it is given, and now you can see that the deployment name is here, pod name is here, but the service is not here, right? So we need to expose the deployment, so it will create the service. OC expose deployment, and the deployment name is tiger. It created the service with the name tiger. If I execute the same command OC get all, now this time I should see the service name is here. It's time to expose the service, so it will create the route. Okay, so OC expose service, and my service name is tiger hyphen host name, and whatever it is given in the exam you just need to copy and paste, and please make sure that don't use HTTP. Okay, copy and paste over here like this way and hit the enter. Now our route is exposed. If we can check OC get route, we see that this is the host name, and if we copy this host name that we have already copied, okay, go to the browser, open a new tab and paste over here. It says nginx 1.43 forbidden, and the port number is 8080. So we need to make sure that everything is look good. Now it is opening. This is way you can complete this question. Thank you very much. Bye bye.